thing right there.
What thing?
That blue thing.
Blue thing?
Yeah.
Oh, this thing. This right here, my friend, is a micro vapor home.
What's a micro vapor hone?
This is actually a wet blaster.
Really? No way.
Yeah.
I thought they were bigger than that.
No, dude, this thing's perfect. It's tabletop. I can fit all my like carburetors and stuff in here. It's gonna be perfect.
Man,
Dude.
I thought they were like super expensive.
No,
And
would
they
you-
got this size too?
Would you believe me if I told you I got this thing for $699? They're typically $1,000. This is a refurb unit.
No way.
You wouldn't even know. The thing, dude, like, it's still got the tear off on it. Whole machine's been went through, new gloves, new floor actually. Everything that needed to be replaced on this thing is replaced, and it's actually been retested. So I know it's going to work perfectly.
Holy snap.
Yeah.
And how much did you say it was?
$699.
$699.
Yeah.
Compared to
$1,000.
$1,000.
Yeah. I got it from Vapor Honing Technologies. I think their number was like 828-202-5563.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang,
It's
I
a
need,
great
I
deal,
need to give
man.
them a call too.
There's
then.
only like 10 left.
10 left?
Yeah.
Hey, next one's going to be mine.
Yeah.
All right.
Good luck.